At the heart of every successful team lies a strong foundation built on principles of communication, trust, mutual respect, and shared goals. These principles are not just mere words, but rather, they are the lifeblood of any team aiming for success. Let's first consider communication. It is the bridge that connects individuals within a team, allowing for the exchange of information, ideas, and feelings. Without open and effective communication, misunderstandings can occur, leading to confusion and conflict. But when communication flows freely, team members understand their roles, responsibilities, and the expectations set for them. Trust, the second cornerstone, is the glue that holds a team together. It's the belief that your teammates will do their part, that they're reliable and competent. Trust also means believing in the integrity of your teammates, knowing they will act in the best interest of the team. Mutual respect is another vital element. It's about acknowledging the value each person brings to the team, respecting differences, and appreciating the unique skills, experiences, and perspectives everyone contributes. It's about treating each other with kindness and dignity, fostering an environment where everyone feels valued and heard. And finally, shared goals. A team without a common objective is like a ship without a compass, drifting aimlessly. Shared goals give direction. They bind the team together, aligning the efforts of each member towards a common destination. They are the rallying cry that inspires and motivates the team to strive for success. Consider the story of a small startup that grew into a global giant. They attributed their success to these foundational principles. The team communicated openly, built trust through consistency and transparency, respected one another's unique contributions, and worked relentlessly towards their shared vision. This allowed them to navigate challenges, innovate, and ultimately achieve their goals. These foundational principles are the bedrock upon which successful teams are built. They are the pillars that support the structure of collaboration, innovation, and success. They shape the team's culture, guide its actions, and ultimately determine its destiny. Remember, a team is more than a group of individuals working together. It's a powerful force united by shared principles and a common goal. Of course, no team is without its challenges. Conflicts, differences in opinions, and breakdowns in communication can all hinder progress. But it's not the presence of these challenges that define a team. It's how they're addressed and overcome that truly matters. Consider the case of a tech startup that was on the brink of collapse due to internal conflicts. The team was divided, communication was strained, and productivity was at an all-time low. But they didn't let these challenges bring them down. Instead, they approached them constructively, using them as stepping stones towards a stronger and more cohesive team. The first step they took was to foster open and honest communication. They created a safe space where team members could express their thoughts, concerns, and ideas without fear of judgment or retaliation. This not only helped clear misunderstandings but also built a culture of trust and respect. Next, they made it a point to respect and value each other's opinions. They understood that disagreements were not a sign of discord but a result of diverse perspectives, which could be harnessed to drive innovation and growth. They learned to see each other's viewpoints, agree to disagree, and find common ground. Finally, they adopted a solution-focused approach to conflict resolution. Instead of dwelling on problems, they focused on finding solutions. They encouraged every team member to contribute ideas, fostering a sense of ownership and unity. The result? A more resilient and high-performing team that was not only able to overcome their challenges, but also achieve unprecedented growth and success. This story illustrates the power of addressing challenges head-on. It shows that conflicts and disagreements are not roadblocks, but opportunities for growth and improvement. It underscores the importance of open communication, mutual respect, and a solution-focused approach in fostering a positive team culture. So the next time your team encounters a challenge, remember this. It's not about avoiding conflicts, but about turning them into catalysts for growth and unity. By addressing these challenges head-on, teams can emerge stronger and more united. So let's embrace these challenges, let's overcome them together, and let's emerge victorious as a team. Diversity is a powerful catalyst for innovation. When teams embrace diverse perspectives, backgrounds, and skill sets, they can achieve breakthroughs that would be impossible otherwise. Let's consider a scenario. Imagine a team composed only of engineers. They might excel at solving technical problems, but when faced with a marketing challenge, they might struggle to find the best approach. Now, introduce a marketer into the team, and suddenly, the landscape of possibilities expands. This is the power of diversity. Diversity doesn't stop at professional backgrounds. It also includes different cultural perspectives, life experiences, and ways of thinking. Each person brings to the table a unique lens through which they view the world, which can lead to innovative solutions that others might overlook. Consider, for instance, the case of a major tech company that was struggling to increase user engagement in different parts of the world. They assembled a team of employees from those regions who understood the cultures, languages, and unique user needs. The result? A series of innovative product features that significantly boosted user engagement. Another example is an international non-profit organization that wanted to tackle water scarcity in several developing countries. They formed a diverse team with local community members, engineers, environmental scientists, and policy experts. This team's diverse perspectives led to a sustainable, community-based approach to water management, which was more effective than previous top-down initiatives. These are just two examples, but there are countless others out there. The key takeaway is this: diversity fuels innovation. It's not always easy, though. Embracing diversity means stepping out of comfort zones, navigating cultural differences, and challenging our own assumptions. But it's worth it. The most innovative teams are those that can harness the power of diversity, turning different perspectives into a unified, creative force. By embracing diversity, teams can unlock their full potential for innovation and success. The next time you're assembling a team or facing a complex challenge, remember, diversity isn't just a box to check, it's a strategic advantage. It's a source of strength. It's a catalyst for innovation. Embrace it. Effective leadership plays a crucial role in promoting a culture of collaboration within teams. Leaders must possess qualities such as vision, empathy, and the ability to inspire and motivate others. In the realm of teamwork, leadership is the compass that guides the ship. Leaders set the tone, create the environment, and influence the behavior of their team members. They articulate a clear vision, a compelling picture of what the future could look like, which serves as the North Star for the collective efforts of the team. Empathy, another critical aspect of effective leadership, fosters an environment where team members feel heard, understood, and valued. Leaders who demonstrate empathy create a safe space where individuals are more likely to share their ideas, express their concerns, and contribute their unique skills and perspectives to the team's objectives. Motivation is the fuel that keeps the engine of teamwork running. Leaders inspire and motivate their teams by recognizing individual contributions, celebrating collective achievements, and continuously reinforcing the link between the team's efforts and the overarching vision. Now let's delve into some real-life insights from leaders about how they foster collaboration within their teams. Some leaders emphasize the importance of regular communication and feedback, creating a two-way dialogue that helps keep everyone aligned and moving in the same direction. Others underscore the necessity of building trust, promoting transparency, and demonstrating integrity in all actions. One leader shared that they encourage collaboration by promoting a culture of continuous learning and growth. They offer opportunities for team members to acquire new skills, broaden their perspectives, and step outside their comfort zones, fostering a sense of shared progress and collective accomplishment. Another leader spoke about the power of leading by example. They strive to model collaborative behavior, showing their team that they too are a part of the team, not above it. They actively participate in team activities, contribute their ideas, and demonstrate a willingness to roll up their sleeves and get involved. In summary, effective leadership is pivotal in fostering a culture of collaboration. By articulating a clear vision, demonstrating empathy, and inspiring motivation, leaders can create an environment where teamwork thrives. With effective leadership, teams can cultivate a culture of collaboration that drives success. As we've seen, teamwork is essential for achieving success in any endeavor. By embracing collaboration, leveraging the strengths of our team members, and working together towards shared goals, we can reach new heights of success. The magic of teamwork is not just about the collective effort, but also about the synergy that emerges, creating a force bigger and stronger than the sum of individual parts. When we harness the power of teamwork, we tap into an unlimited reservoir of creativity, innovation, and determination. It's the shared laughter during a brainstorming session, the light bulb moments when a teammate's idea sparks a solution, and the collective cheer when a goal is reached. So, let's not underestimate the power of we. Your experiences, your stories of collaboration and teamwork are not just yours. They're part of a larger, global story of human achievement. Share them, let them inspire others. Together, we are stronger, embrace the power of teamwork, and together we can reach new heights of success.